Data mining transforms vast datasets into actionable insights, enabling informed decisions and predictive analytics for businesses. AI-driven data mining unveils hidden patterns, correlations, and trends, enhancing decision-making processes across various industries. Machine learning algorithms, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, power advanced data mining techniques. Neural networks and natural language processing are pivotal AI tools for recognizing patterns and extracting insights from data. Big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases efficiently process and analyze large, unstructured datasets. Statistical analysis systems, SAS, R, and Python are essential for data manipulation, statistical analysis, and visualization. Business intelligence tools such as Tableau and Power BI facilitate data visualization and accessibility for decision-makers. The data mining process involves data collection, cleaning, exploration, model building, validation, and real-time deployment. Data mining enhances marketing strategies through customer segmentation, churn prediction, and personalized marketing campaigns. In finance, predictive models for fraud detection, credit scoring, and risk management rely on data mining techniques. Healthcare benefits from data mining in disease prediction, patient management, and personalized treatment plans. Retailers use data mining for inventory management, demand forecasting, and optimizing supply chain strategies. Manufacturing leverages predictive maintenance, quality control, and production optimization through data mining. Key data mining techniques include association rule learning, classification, clustering, regression, and anomaly detection. Data mining provides improved decision-making, competitive advantage, cost reduction, and enhanced customer experience. Challenges in data mining include ensuring data quality, maintaining privacy, scalability, and interpreting complex patterns. The future of data mining is tied to advancements in AI, automated machine learning, AutoML, and deep learning technologies. Integration of IoT data with data mining will create new possibilities for extracting value and insights from data. Organizations investing in data mining and advanced technologies gain significant competitive advantages in the market. As technology evolves, data mining will become more sophisticated, offering deeper insights and more accurate predictions.